Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have a super heavy duty screwdriver here that is awesome for really tough jobs. So this is from Klein. This is the 5/16 inch Keystone screwdriver, and it has a 6-inch square shaft. So it is made from really strong and durable materials because this is designed for wrench assisted turning. So this is not just your everyday screwdriver that you're going to use to put on light switches, covers, things like that. This is a serious screwdriver for heavy duty work. So I like this one because it is really comfortable. It has a really nice grip. So even if you are doing really tough jobs, you are going to be able to maintain that hold on it, and that helps to get the job done easier, but also maintain safety. So it's really great. It is also chrome plated, so it is corrosion resistant, which is really nice. So that helps it to last a lot longer. And overall, this just feels really solid. This feels like it's going to last a long time. We have been really happy with all of the Klein Tools products that we have. They all are super durable, really well built, and last for a really long time, even with a lot of use. So if you're looking for a really solid screwdriver, you may want to check out this one, and that is my point of view.